The deadly protest of Gen Z that rocked Nepal over the last 2 days saw agitators burning down the country's Supreme Court to ashes. Protesters barged into the Apex Court building on Tuesday afternoon, ransacking the place before setting it on fire. A group of protesters entered the Supreme Court premises where the lawyers were still there. They first barged into the building where case documents and files were kept. Eyewitnesses said that the protesters piled the documents in one place and set them on fire. Another group gathered documents from 2 or 3 other branches in the same way and set them on fire again. The report added that the facade of the Supreme Court building and the Sri Yantra, a symbol of justice, were destroyed. The agitators set on fire all 3 floors of the Supreme Court, including the office of the Chief Justice, the meeting room, and the office of the Chief Registrar. The third floor is our most sensitive area. It is the data center for all the Supreme Court records which are in the process of being digitized at a rapid pace, the Joint Secretary of the Supreme Court told Online Cover. Although there were security personnel on duty, they were unable to handle the large number of protesters. Another group of protesters then started setting fire to the branch on the ground floor of the Supreme Court's annex building. It was this building that housed all the judgments made by the Supreme Court. Now we have nothing, only ashes, the Joint Secretary added. Though the court kept a backup of its data, the area where the servers were housed was burned down. The Supreme Court's website is now down after attacks, and there is no way to proceed with these cases through the software. And now it is not possible to hear old cases without documents. After the records were burnt, all the evidence was destroyed, and there is confusion about what to do with those cases. The protesters also attacked the Attorney General's office in the same style. A Supreme Court judge said they plan to hold a meeting after which they will attempt to run the court from somewhere, even if it is symbolic. We provided services even during the earthquake. Now everything has been destroyed, but we will make an attempt to symbolically reopen the court, he said.